Hey everybody, so I'm back with another makeup video. Right now I did do her eyebrows already. I am starting on her eyes, so we're going for a nude type look. So I'm applying this brown shade. It's like a light brown shade from my contour palette. I really like it, and I'm gonna just apply that around the crease, and then I'm gonna apply that, and then I'm gonna add a little bit darker color, but it's not going to be too dark. So I'm just apply that on the lid. And y'all, I'm just now getting over a cold. It's been a while, so just bear with me. Yeah, so I'm speaking as clear as possible for y'all to understand me. And yeah, so just continue applying this in the crease, and I'm going to cut her crease. Now, this is not going to be a real cut crease. I'm just going to crease it out just a little bit so I can know where to apply the lighter color. So yeah, I'm just going to put that on her eye, and then I'm going to blend out that crease because I don't want a deep light crease, you know. Y'all going to get the picture when I get through. So now I'm going to apply this white. Now, this white is very pigmented, like it's very bold. So I thought about using another color, but yeah, so I'm gonna apply this over the whole lid, and yeah, just apply this over the whole lid. And now after this, I'm going to apply my black liner. I did get this from the beauty supply. This is my go-to liner that I use all the time. I really like this liner. I do plan on getting a new one, you know, from a different brand, but I don't know when. So now here goes the fun part, applying the foundation. Now I actually added like a lighter coat, and then I added like a little bit darker coat of her tone on her face, you know, just to blend both of those together to make her color. So I'm going to just apply this over her whole face. Yeah, I love this part because that's when you know you about to go fast. Nah, you'll be done soon. So now yeah, I'm going to apply this lighter coat, just blend it in just a little bit. She's going out tonight, so she's getting a quick little beat. Y'all, we gotta get under those eyes, between those brows. We don't want them brows to look like it's about to connect, you know. Nah. But yeah, so I'm gonna apply this over her whole face. Yeah. What am I looking at? I'm gonna look at the camera. So just apply. Now I'm gonna use my lighter tone of my concealer, my LA Gold Pro concealer, sorry y'all. And I'm going to add a darker one over. It's like a lighter brown, you know, warm brown or so. So I'm going to apply that on top of it because I don't want it to be too light, but I want it to be just right. So I'm going to apply that under her eyes, her chin, her forehead, you know, all the highlighted parts. Y'all, we talk a lot. Like, during this whole video, I think we have not stopped talking through this whole video. But yeah, I'm going to apply it under her nose and stuff. And then I'm going to put the contour under her cheeks and around her forehead and stuff. So just blend it in, y'all. Y'all know y'all got to use that beauty sponge. Some people actually use a brush, but it's not like a brush that you use your foundation with, but it's the brush for, you know, the highlighted parts to blend it in. Yeah, so yeah, I use my sponge. I love my sponge. So now I'm going to go around her face, and I have my contouring brush and just, pat that all in. Y'all, I know she look crazy right now, but y'all gonna get the picture after I'm done. Yep, so just do that. Contouring her nose. Now I'm gonna add the setting powder. Y'all, she is so hard to do with when it comes to under her eyes or inside, put liner in. Oh Lord. Well, she's not the only client, but y'all, for real. But yeah, so I'm gonna apply the my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set the highlighted parts of her face. Y'all love this setting powder. This is the one I use all the time. So now I'm going to set the contouring around her face. My contour palette. Now, I really plan on using different products like y'all. I ordered the same products because I'm used to using it. I need to actually branch out and use different products. If y'all can comment down below and let me know like what different good contour palettes I can use, highlighters, setting powder, or anything I can use that's different. So yeah, I'm going to outline her, line her lips up and stuff like that. Add that highlighter, hunty. Then I'm gonna add this, it's like this kind of pinkish nude type color, and I did add gloss. So yeah, add gloss over it because I love the gloss. Like, you can't go wrong when you put a color on your lip and then don't add gloss. Like, I love it. Okay, y'all, this is my final look. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.